will save the object or update the object. Having given ID value, if record is there, it will try to update the object. If not there, it will try to insert the record. That's great. Where is this? I think this is your Eclipse ID. Yes, let me open Paint. Full object modification. Followed by that, we have to see delete operations, right? Multiple delete operations. File open. Here is my what? Spring, guys. Yeah, where is this? 515. Boot data JPA. What data? JPA. Next. Session, how much? 6 na? Yeah, session 6. I think full object modification still we have not. Example on partial object modification. Example on full object modification. Okay. You're just calling what? Save method. That's it, nothing else. But this is one important. While executing this code, make sure that no generator value is placed on the top of ID property. If that is there, always try to generate the new ID. New ID means what? Having that ID, no record will be there. Always it will go for what? A record, no record insertion only. Always it go for record insertion. So it never thinks about going for record updation, my dear. Come on, guys. Yeah, this is one thing we have to worry about. So what is this? 515. Can I get one chair? Yeah. This Saturday, 7 a.m., you have a common topic. Saturday evening sessions are not there. Only we have morning session, 7:15 a.m. common topic that is on Spring Boot Mail. Right? Sunday no session. Next class will be on Monday. Till Saturday, regular evening session is there as usual. Online students, I hope you are listening the statement properly. Till Saturday, still Friday, regular session at 5:15 p.m. Tomorrow, Friday. Saturday only one session, that is 7:15 a.m. Your wish. If you want, you can come to offline or online. Both options are there. But common topics link, guys. What link? Common topic. Saturday evening sessions are not there. Sunday no class. Next class will be on what? Monday. Yes, guys. Tell me. boot pros crude repository, that's fine. Yes, full object modification. Okay. Go to entity class, doctor.java. Go to entity class, doctor.java. We are commenting generated value this. No generated value. That's great. Yes, boss. Here is my service, guys. Eye doctor management service. Public string. Public string. What is there? Update doctor. Doctor. Public string update doctor. That's fine. Doctor management service IMPL. Add unimplemented methods. Add unimplemented methods. Add what? Unimplemented methods. Yeah. Tell me here what is there? Doctor repo dot save. What dot save, guys? Doctor repo dot save. Doctor repo dot save doctor. I think doc repo na doc repo dot save. Okay. Doctor object is saved or updated. Doctor object is saved or updated. That depends. Anything can happen, right? Based on the data we provide, guys. Based on the data we provide, anything can happen because we don't have separate update method. Save method only is multi-purpose method. Okay, go to the runner, boss. Crude repository test runner. Crude repository test runner. No injection, nothing. Okay, here partial object modification is there. This is my partial object modification. Then think about full object modification, my dear. Come on, everyone. Try. What is there? Try. Tell me next one. String message is equal to string message is equal to doc service dot update doctor. What is there? Doctor. Doctor is equal to new doctor of 1006 is there. Okay, that's the existing number I am giving. 1006 is the existing number. Changing doctor name to Ramesh. What are the parameters in doctor, guys? Doctor name, address, expectant fee. Okay, what is there? Cardio. Address, address. Address I am changing to Bangalore. Next one. P is 9,000. something, except a number, remaining everything I kept new. I passed a doctor there. Sys out message. What is there, guys? Sys out message. Catch. What is there? Exception E. E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace. Okay, guys. E dot print stack trace. Right click, guys. Run as Java application, guys. Doctor object is saved or what? Updated. It simply gives the message doctor object is saved or updated. That's fine, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay. Doctor object is saved or updated. Everyone getting my point there or not there? Okay, that's fine. Okay, right now what happened? Update, because 1006 record is there na. That's why it is doing what? Update operation. Let me check whether it is doing update or not. And it's always available. It always what? 1006 always generator generates a new value. New value is not always available. It always think about inserting the record or not, guys. Okay. Let's see this. 515 dB. What is there? Tables. JPA underscore what? Doctor. Select rows. 1009, 1006. Bangalore Ramesh Cardio 9000. Changed or not, guys? Okay, now let's see same method performing insertion activity. Same method performing insert activity. It is my runner class, boss. Okay. This is my runner class. Okay. Triple 16. Having that record is not there. Having that record is there or not there? Not there. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, here this time what happened? Insert. Having the same data, record is inserted or not, guys? This is my 1116 Bangalore Ramesh Cardio 9000. It's happening perfectly, my dear. Got the clarity, my dear. Come on, everyone. Okay, that's great. Okay. That's a full object modification, guys. How can we make certain property of entity class not participating in persistence operation? It should not participate in any persistence operation, guys. Then we have to add what? At the rate transient. Save means it should not be saved. Update means it should not be updated. When I retrieve also, accept that property value, remaining all properties should come. Then we have to use what? @transient. But you cannot apply @transient on ID property because that's the key way for anything, right? Apart from ID property, anywhere you can apply, boss. Okay, we cannot apply @transient on the top of @ID property. What property, guys? @ID property. On the top of this one. Transient. In serialization also we use the term transient, right? The transient property won't support serialization. Same story here. Yes, here is my doctor.java, guys. That's great. Here is my doctor.java. That's fine. So here fee is there. Here is what? @transient. Yeah, I have taken @transient. Okay. Now you look at the runner, boss. You look at the runner. I am taking 1119. I'm definitely taking what? 1119. Boot JPA pros 1. Say run as, say Java application. Yeah. Doctor object is updated. Doctor object is inserted. Right now, insert query is happening. Look at the table towards the record insertion. Null value has come or not, guys. That means that property is not participating in persistence activity. Forget about this update or insertion, boss. Forget about this update or insertion. Other day we have taken find by ID method. What method? Find by ID. Fetch doctor by ID. Some method is there here. Fetch doctor by ID. Here also I am taking 1119. What is there? 1119. That's great. Right click, run as Java application. Though data is there in 1119. Okay, I'll give another number also. Right now data is there, not there. That's why not coming to the entity object. Fine. But you give a number in which data is there. Though data is there, it won't be fetching data to that property. So it will not participate in any sort of persistence operation. That is what I'm trying to say here. Check it out, guys. Doctor, fee is null. Na? You may say data is not there, that's why not came. Go to the runner class. This time you give 1006. This time you give, guys, 1006. Right click, guys, run as, what is there? Java application. Fee null has come. Actually, fee is there, but it is giving me null or not, guys. So like this, we can go for what? Transient support. If you don't want insert, update, or retrieve certain property data temporarily, then take the support of what? @transient. Instead of using transient, we can set null value or no value to what? Certain property to make that property not participating in persistence operation. But it works only in insert, update object operation. While saving object, You don't want to set a value to certain column. You set the null value, null will not be inserted. But if you go for transient, it will not participate in any persistence activity. But if you set null, it will not happen only in what? Insert and update operation. So always prefer working with what? At the rate transient. Delete object operations in what? Chord operation. Delete with object is there, delete all is there, deletes all the records. Delete all iterable entities. We are passing set of entity objects. Delete all by IDs. We are passing multiple IDs. Come on. Okay. Delete by ID. We are passing single ID there. We are definitely passing single ID there or not there. Update object, load object by ID, delete object by ID methods perform what? Their persistence operation by taking what? ID value as a criteria value. Sir, always everything by ID, na? I want to delete record by using other column condition. For that one, we have to go for custom methods, user-defined methods. User-defined methods also you just need to declare only. Logic we don't write. Only methods we declare by following some coding conventions or naming convention. Remaining everything else will be taken care by whom? Proxy class only. The proxy class will take care. To perform persistence operation in DB table using Spring Data JPI by taking other than ID value as criteria. Criteria means condition. We need to place custom methods in what? Repository interface. Which methods? Custom methods. That means user defined method. Model class means just Java Bean class. Entity class means what? Java Bean with JPA annotations of OR mapping. At the rate entity table, this kind of annotations will be there or not there, guys. To transfer data between layers of same project or different project, we take the support of model class, my dear. Sometimes the entity class itself also acts as model class or not, guys. Sometimes the entity class itself acts as what? Model class. We don't take separate model class. The entity class itself acts as what? Separate model class. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah, delete by ID. Deletes the entity with a given ID. If the entity is not found in the persistence store, it is silently ignored. That means what? No exception will be raised. And return type is what? Void. So we cannot really know whether the object is deleted or not. So that's why generally what we do, first we try to find the record. If there, we call the delete method. If not there, we simply write the message record not found. Because its return type is void, it is not giving any signal. So, but we want some message, record found, deleted, not found. Some message should be there or not there, guys. Okay, guys. Let's see. Public string, tell me. Remove doctor by ID into ID. Remove doctor by ID. Doctor Management Service IMPL. Add unimplemented methods. Okay, add them. First load object. First what object, guys? Load object. Definitely you need to think about going for load object or not, guys. Okay. First, load object. First, load object. Optional T. What is there? Custom. Not customer, doctor. OPT is equal to optional doctor. OPT is equal to. We can check exist by ID. Find by ID also fine, but exist by ID also sufficient. Na? I think we can go for exist by ID. That's better. Why to waste the object? Boolean flag is equal to doc repo dot exist by ID. If flag. What is there? If flag. Tell me. Doc repo dot Hey, what's happening? Delete. Not remove. Delete by ID. Delete by ID. Return. ID doctor is found and deleted. Else, what is there? ID doctor is not found for deletion. ID doctor is not found for deletion. That's great. ID doctor is not found for deletion. Okay. Eye doctor management service. That's good. Remove doctor by ID. Doctor management service IMPL. Okay. Doctor management service IMPL. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah. See guys. Oh, we have not called the method. I think I'm overexcited to show the output, it seems. Method invocation is not done. Still old method is going on, right? Okay. Sir, why are you catching and handling exception every time? All the methods in repositories are throwing unchecked exception. So they happily propagated, guys. Proxy class to service to runner. But after runner, there is no other layer. So if you want to know the real problem that is happened, in case of problem is raised, okay, we have to this one. Why to load the object? If you do, Hanur Sayed, you don't listen class come continuously. Huh? Delete method return type is void. So when you call the method, how you will know whether record is deleted or not deleted? That's why first what we are trying to do. We are trying to load the object or we are checking whether object is there or not there. Here actually we are not loading Mr. Syed. Basical thought is loading only. Okay. Check the object availability. Check the object availability. Check the object availability. Okay, that's great. Doctor is found and deleted. Okay. We are just because delete method return type is void. We cannot feel whether record deleted or not. I want a message. So first I'm checking whether record is there or not there. If there, fine. If not there, we are doing this. Okay, we can either load the object to check record is there or not there, or we can do like this. Crude repository test, guys. Here is my what? Try block. Here is my what, guys? Try block. Followed by that, what is the story, guys? Here is my try block. Tell me here, what is the story there? String message is equal to what dot? Doctor repo dot. Doctor repo na doc service. Doctor service dot. Yeah, where is this? Remove doctor by ID. Remove doctor by ID. What is there? ID. Sys out. What is there, guys? Message. Here is what? Sys out message. Sys out message. Catch exception E. E dot print stack trace. Okay. Yeah, remove doctor by ID. Okay, we are going to remove 1006 record only. Why not other record? Super, guys. Right click, guys. Run as a Java application, guys. Okay. Thousand six doctor is found and what? Deleted. Say refresh. 1009 Bangalore Ramesh Cardio. Bangalore Ramesh Cardio. 1006 is no more here. It has been deleted, my dear. Okay. So that is single record deleting. You can delete the same thing by using by passing entity object now, boss. All right. Deletes the given entity. Though we pass complete entity object as argument value, it takes only ID property value as the criteria value to delete the record or not. Based on ID we are deleting, we are taking complete object. From that object also again it uses what? ID value only, ID property value only as the criteria value to delete the record or not, guys. Okay. See this? We are passing complete object. We are trying to load the object. If it is empty, doctor not found. If it is not empty, we are passing the object. We are passing the object. OPT.get means what? Object will come or not, guys. Okay. Then doctor was doctor found and deleted. Simply doctor found and what? Deleted. So while calling, we are passing doctor object. Are you noticing it? But I feel this is not the better method. Based on ID was the better method. Why? Though you are passing complete object, guys, again it is using what? ID only to, as the criteria value to delete the object. So there is no meaning of what? Passing this object, right? Okay. Explain the use cases to use delete by ID and delete T method. In which situation delete by ID should be used? In which situation delete method should be used, right? Okay. First of all, I am generating the select operation related report, guys. There is a delete hyperlink. and every hyperlink is carrying that record related primary key column value, right? When you click on it, it should give me one dialog box. Are you sure you want to delete? Using this additional request parameter, nothing but primary key column value as the criteria, it has to delete the record. In this situation, it's better to use a delete by ID method now, my dear, because delete hyperlink is carrying what was ID value of the record as the criteria value. Using that ID value as the criteria value, we want to delete the record or not, guys? We definitely wants to delete the record or not? I want reply. This is use case 1. What is use case 2, guys? Use case 2. Same report is there. View and delete. First, I want to view the record. I'm launching a form page. Whatever record I clicked, that one that will appear here. So having this data, one object is created now, my dear, form data. And by passing that object, I want to delete the record. In that situation, delete T method is required or not, guys? Report generated, delete, ID value is going as criteria value. Then you delete the record by ID, right? Come on, my dear, come on. Use case 2, view and delete, guys. When you click on hyperlink, having current record, one form is launched. In that form, data is filled up or not, guys? In that form, data is filled up or not, guys? I want reply. When you click on delete button, what button? When you click on what? Delete button. Okay, the record will be deleted. But this time, this form data will be stored into an entity object. That entity object is used in the delete method and record will be deleted, right? Okay, note. To perform update, delete operation and find operation with our choice conditions and property column values as the criteria value, use custom methods in custom repository interface. We need to think about more user defined methods or not, guys? Partial insertion of record or object, partial update of record or object, partial loading of record is possible. Partial record deletion is not possible. Deleting one or two column values in DB table record comes under partial record updation only. A partial record deletion is possible. Either delete complete record or don't delete. Deleting one, two column values, nothing but what? Partially updating the record or not, guys? So partial record deletion is not there. Partial insertion is possible using transient. Partial update is possible using transient. Partial loading is possible using transient. Come on. Partial deletion is possible or not? Because either complete record deletion or no record deletion. So partial deletion is equal to one partial update operation or not, guys? Just delete record. Delete by ID sufficient. View and delete record. When to view, we take a form. In that form, entire record will come. Right? When you click on delete button, form data will be stored into object. That object should be used as what? Criteria value to delete the record. In that situation, better to go for what? Delete with the entity object was. Delete with what? Entity object. Clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yeah. Next, we have more other methods also to take care, guys. Come on, everyone. Yeah. We have more other methods also to take care. So let's see what are the more other methods we have. This is session 6. Let me open session 7. Yeah, what is this? Delete object operations in CRUD repository. What object, guys? Delete object operations in what? CRUD repository. That's great. Yeah, these are the methods we have. Then we have what method, guys? Delete all method is there. Deletes all the entities or records of DB table by generating single select SQL query. Single select SQL query to check how many records are there, and multiple delete SQL queries. This is very interesting. To check how many, to get all the ID values of all the records, one select query will be generated. And it will generate multiple delete queries by submitting what? Multiple ID values as the criteria values. Multiple ID values as the criteria values. Right, boss? First generates the single select SQL query and gets all the ID values and generates what? Multiple delete SQL queries having submitting each ID value to each delete query. Having submitting each ID value to each delete query. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Having submitting each ID value to each delete query, guys. It does not generate single delete query for deleting all the record. In fact, it generates multiple delete SQL queries to delete multiple records or not, guys? Okay. Single select query to get all the ID values of available record. Multiple records. Okay. That means it is not going for a single query for deleting all the records. It is using multiple delete queries to delete the multiple records. So each delete, so each ID values will be deleted. 80 values will delete the 10 records. 20 ID value will be submitted to delete the 20 records. Clear, guys? Yes. Okay. Yeah, I'm not giving example on delete with object, guys. Okay, you understood. Though we pass complete object, it uses again ID value as a criteria value. Sir, every time ID value, criteria value, I want to do these delete, update operations, select operation by using other condition values, custom queries, because which condition you take, how they can guess. So definitely custom methods we have to worry. This is only fixed. If you like this, use them. If you don't like, think about going for custom methods. Custom methods also only declarations, boss. Every logic you need not to write. Okay, public string, remove all doctors. Public string, remove all doctors. Here is what? Remove all doctors. Yeah, tell me here. Long count is equal to doc repo dot count. Here we are getting count of records or not, guys? We are definitely getting count of records. What do you say, guys? Come on, everyone. Screen is lagging. What? Wait for a few minutes. It will go off automatically. Now it should be okay, guys. Everyone, it should be okay now. No? Okay. No. What should I take? Still lagging? Call someone, guys. Video lagging. Okay. మరి ఎలా దీనికి? అది ప్రాబ్లం ఇంకా సాల్వ్ కాలేదా? ఏదైనా మార్చారుగా ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కాదా? ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మార్చారుగా. అంతేనా? మిగతా వాళ్ళకి కాదా? What about voice, guys? Is voice okay? Is voice okay? బట్ ప్రాక్టికల్స్ కదా వాళ్ళకి. ప్రాక్టికల్స్ చూడాలంటే వీడియో కూడా కావాలి కదా. ఫైన్. అడ్జస్ట్ గైస్. అవర్ టీమ్ ఈస్ వర్కింగ్, ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఆన్ ఇట్. ఓకే. వాయిస్ ఈస్ క్లియర్. దెన్ లెట్స్ గో హెడ్ విత్ దట్. Long count is equal to doctor repo dot count. That's fine. రేపు మధ్యాహ్నం కలు, రేపు ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ అది కావాలండి. అంటే నైట్ కుదరదని చెప్పు. సార్ ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పారు రీజన్ ఏందో. నేను దీని తర్వాత జిమ్కి వెళ్ళాలి. నైట్ కుదరదు, ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ కలుద్దాం అన్నారని చెప్పి. Long count is equal to what is there, guys? Doctor repo dot count. What is that, guys? Doctor repo dot count. That's fine. Okay, now listen. Here I say doctor repo dot. Where is this? Delete all. Doc repo dot delete all. Is that right, boss? Come on, everyone. Return count number of records are found and delete. Count number of records are found and deleted. That's great, guys. Come on, everyone. Count number of records are found and deleted, guys. Okay. Count number of records are found and deleted. Where is our project? Crude repository. That's great. Right click, run as, what is there? Java application. Right click, run as Java application. 1006 doctor is not found for what? Deletion. Oh, still running old code only, it seems. Okay, I have not invoked method, it seems. Crude repository. Yes. Here is my what? Try. Here is what is there? String message is equal to doc service dot. What is there? Doc service dot. Tell me. Remove all doctors. Okay. MSC. What is there? Catch exception E. E dot print stack trace. Exception E. E dot print stack trace. Fine. Right. Right click. Run as Java application. It is going to delete all the records of the table. Yes. First one select query comes giving me what? This is fine. Select query giving me all ID values. Now, all these will be submitted here or not this. 15 number of records are found and deleted. How many? 15 number of records are found and deleted. Say refresh. లేదు అంటే అప్పుడప్పుడు ఈరోజు వాయిస్ ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, ఓన్లీ వీడియో అండ్ స్క్రీన్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, కానీ వీడియో అంటే నా వీడియో కాదు, ఈవెన్ స్క్రీన్ కూడా లాగ్ అవ్వదు. స్క్రీన్ అయితే కష్టం కదా, స్క్రీన్ కూడా ఫైన్. సో ఆల్ రికార్డ్స్ ఆర్ డిలీటెడ్ ఆర్ నాట్ గైస్? ఫైన్, ఓకే. 15 number of records are found and what? Deleted, guys. That's great. Fine. This is what? Delete. Okay. Yeah, it's a right. Simple one only. One select query to get all the IDs and all submitted, guys. All methods in JP repository execute in database software by enabling what? Auto commit mode on database software. As a developer, you cannot roll back the data that has been what? Committed. So if you want to get that control, you have to go for what? Array, commit will be done automatically, Ra Babu. You know, Snahun Sayed, you just asked the statement is there here. Check it out. By default, all queries executes by enabling auto commit mode na by default. Okay. Delete by ID iterable, guys. Delete the multiple records or entities of DB table based on the given ID values. Suppose I have given 10 IDs, 5 are available, 5 records are deleted, remaining 5 are not there. No exception, they are ignored, guys. They are simply ignored. Same, find all by ID is there, na same story. Find all by ID method is there, na same story here. So let's design one method of that. Entities are not found in persistent store are silently ignored. IDs must not be null. Overall collection should not be null, but elements can be null. Elements can be null. Must not contain null in elements. It's no such rule, guys. Elements can be null. I think I already proved this one. Elements can be null. Elements can be null. Okay. We are trying to get all the IDs to get the count. I want to know how many records are deleted, right? Then delete, count number of records are deleted and all this stuff. Okay. Let's see what we can do. Mrutyunjaya Nayak. A great name, ra? Okay. Mrutyunjay. Mrutyunjay means what? Survivor of the death. Huh? You will survive from death also, Mr. Mrutyunjay. Good. Okay. Survive from the screen problem also now. Close all editors, guys. That's great. Here is what? Entity, all this stuff. But now no data is there to delete the record. But in Oracle, we have data, right? In MySQL, data is not there, that's fine. But in Oracle, we have a data on my dear. So let's think about how to collect the data in what? Oracle. Time in towards inserting records, guys. Okay, let's so how to change my database to Oracle? Very simple. In application.properties file, point to Oracle database software. Point to Oracle database software. This is Oracle dialect. These are my Oracle. This. Okay. Pointing to Oracle, guys. Now let's design. If we call save all, so many records will be saved. But still, why in Oracle so many records are there? Let me keep Oracle database once. Let's keep Oracle database once. Tell me here, where is this? Let's keep Oracle database once. SQL developer. Here is our SQL developer, my dear. It's a bit heavy software, guys. If you have a good RAM, then only install SQL developer. Otherwise, it will make system very slow. My laptop is having good RAM. That's why it is able to survive. There are so many records. Tables, guys. JPA underscore JPA underscore doctor. JPA underscore doctor. That's great. This is my JPA underscore, guys. Close all editors. Doctor management service, my dear. Okay. Public string. I want to write a message, boss. Okay. Definitely, I want to write a message. Remove doctors by ID. Remove doctors by IDs. Okay, that's great. Simply try to remove doctors by IDs. Fine, guys. Okay. List integer IDs. List integer IDs. Is that clear, guys? Come on, everyone. Right. Public string remove doctors by IDs. List integer by IDs. That's good. Okay. Yes. Doctor Management Service IMPL. Doctor Management Service IMPL. Add unimplemented methods. We are choosing add unimplemented methods there. Okay. Public string remove doctors by IDs. Public string remove doctors by IDs. Tell me here, what is the story, guys? Public string remove doctors by IDs. Here is my what, guys? First, we try to load how many records are there we want to. Iterable doctor. Okay, list is equal to, or whatever it is, IT is equal to. IT is equal to doc repo dot. What is there? Okay, find all by IDs. We are going to get the list of IDs. But I want to get count of records, guys. But if it is a list method, I can call size method, but it is a iterable object. But I want to do that count. Then we have to use a stream support concept is there or not there. Long count is equal to, what is there? Stream support dot stream. Stream support dot stream. Stream support dot stream. What is there? IT dot split iterator false dot count. Directly by getting stream object, we are calling the count method. So this will tell how many records are there or not there, guys. Here, load objects by count by IDs. That's fine. Get the count of loaded objects. Get the count of loaded objects. Next, delete the records. What is the function of split iterator? Array, Rajpalli Yashwant Reddy, did you ever study Java 8 stream features? Iterators. Iterators are useful to go through the elements of collections. Okay, split iterator will go through the elements of collection. Whether you want to do parallel processing of elements, true. You don't want to do parallel processing of element, false. Delete the records. You think about what? Deleting the records, guys. Now let's see. Delete the records here. We are going for deletion of records, guys. Doc repo dot find all. Find all by ID. That's good. Count. Delete the records by IDs. By IDs. Here we are thinking about deleting the records by IDs or not, guys? Yeah, tell me. Doc repo dot delete by ID. Delete all by IDs. Okay, that's great. Here is my what? Return statement. What is the statement, guys? Return. Okay, return. I want to write a message. Count number of records are found and deleted. Count number of records are found and deleted. But if you do that is not enough. You are supposed to call this method in runner, my dear. Yes, test runner. Here is my what? Try. Here is my what? Catch. Exception E. E dot print stack trace. What is there? String message. What message, guys? String message. Doc service dot. What dot? Doc service dot. Remove doctors by IDs. Remove doctors by IDs. Tell me here, what is there? remove doctors by IDs. Listed out of means null values are not allowed. But here so many records are there na boss. 102,200. First let me give available one. Listed out of 102,002. What is there? 100. Some 99, 88, this kind of stuff. They are not there. Sys out, what is there? Message. Sys out a message. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Right. Okay. So let's see. So actually 99, 88 records are not there. Remaining are there, guys. Right click. Crude repository test runner. Not that. Go to the main method. Right click, run as Java application. Simply what? Run as Java application, guys. Okay. Something is happening here. 3 number of records are deleted by generating 3 queries. Okay. 3 number of records are deleted or not, guys. That's fine. Look at the refresh. Okay, 3 records are deleted. So they have been deleted or not, guys. So this is what? Delete by IDs. Array, fine. We are loading objects. Okay, only to get the control on it. Use cases for delete all and what? Delete all by ID. Use cases for delete all and delete all by what? IDs, guys. Okay, let's see. This is my dynamic web page. Here is my what? Product catalog. What catalog? Uh, this is my report I got, guys. This is the report. You look at Gmail inbox, guys. There you can feel this one practically. There is 2 options. Delete all is there and delete selected will be there. Anyone seen Gmail inbox, guys? Anyone seen Gmail inbox? Delete selected, delete all will be there. When you click on delete all, no dot, delete all method should be executed in repository. Report.delete method deletes all record irrespective of checkboxes are selected or not. Delete selected. Out of 10 checkboxes, I selected 4 checkboxes. Okay, needs report. Report.delete all by ID method deletes only those records whose checkboxes are selected. Whose checkboxes are selected. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. In Gmail application, in photo album application, we definitely need what? Delete all by methods. Photo album. We want to delete all the photographs or you want to delete selected photograph. In that situation, definitely it is useful or not, guys? Okay. Assignment, practice this. Delete all passing set of objects, guys. Same as delete all, but set a passing set of entity objects. Same as delete all by ID only, but we are passing objects, there we are passing IDs. Though you pass objects, from objects also only, IDs will be used as criteria values for deleting the records, my dear. Delete by ID. Already we discussed this one. Remove patient by ID. Already we discussed this part, guys. Okay. Delete it, delete all. Okay, that's fine. Assignment, you practice this. Can we delete record content partially? Just now we discussed about this. Partial deletion of record is possible, guys. Partial record deletion is possible or not possible? Partial record deletion is not possible. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay. Question this. Possible. but not using delete methods. Use save keeping null values for few properties of the object. This is nothing but partial deletion of record, nothing but partial updation or delete operation. Or we can use at the rate transient for few properties. Possible, but not using delete method. Use save method keeping what? Null values for few properties of the object. This is nothing but partial deletion of the record or partial updation of the record, guys. Okay, or we can take the support of at the rate transient, my dear. Okay. So there is no partial deletion of record that is equal to, that is nothing but indirectly partial updation of the record. Updating few properties, ignoring remaining properties definitely comes under what, guys?